Okay.
Rogers in the lead.
Little over a lap behind him.
Wallbangers in the lead?
Yeah, Rogers in the lead. That's what
Roger's in the lead. He's running the lead truck yet again.
we're going at.
That's Harvey's.
We're going at the top.
Right now the pursuing pack are down in the 6.4s. The lead truck is in the 7.4s. At that rate they're going to catch him pretty quickly. He's down to 7.0. All of them on the same lap, except for Stubbo in green, who is 2 laps back. Still Roger holds on to the lead for Wallbanger.
Are they on the same lap or is he a lap one ahead of him?
No, they're all showing 89 now, so they are coming up to pass him. Still Roger in the lead, but they're right with him now, the 2 Coast Guard trucks. And going through into the lead is Puck Player. Oh, up on 2 wheels!
Which is really exciting.
Tim N on 2 wheels with Victor driving. No one ever accused Victor of being careful, but he keeps it on the track. 1.5 minutes. The lead is Puck Player in blue. Second is Tim N. And then Wallbanger bringing up the rear, all on the same lap though. 1 off and it will change. They've done 101 laps. They're after at least 106 and they've got almost a minute to do it. They're going to really spread the lead out. 103 and they're down in the 6.2 in blue. Fastest truck on the track. Say that one quickly. Oh no, is that the blue one?
Look for first to work.
Oh, first to the... I'm sorry, Tim.
Get the pressure on them.
Pat, concentration was never Pat's strong point.
Wheels are coming off.
Don't play with your knob.
The wheels are coming off. Oh no!
Man,
Keep the
Talk about
keep the
falling
pressure
off.
on